Hi, I'm Todd with AHW. Today we're in the shop with the used John Deere 412R sprayer. In 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how to tell if the sprayer's been well maintained. Let's go take a look. We'll start with the liquid system. First off, open the solution tank lid. Look in, make sure we're clean, no debris buildup, no residue in the corners. Flowing downstream is our pressure strainer. These are important to pull out, check for debris buildup and damage. Next up is our flow meters. So all this is housed right here on the left side where we can open, make sure they're clean, and flush out the lines if needed. Next, we'll take a look at the boom structure. We'll look and see if our segments are in line. Preferably unfold the boom and see that they're all straight. Up front is one of our bumpers. While looking at that, we have pivot bushings. They are a Kevlar bushing that will wear out over time. Next, while we are checking the boom over, let's take a look at our nozzle bodies. We make sure they're all in place and they'll all adjust where we can make the change as needed when we're in the field. And finally, we'll take a look at our suspension system. Looking at our airbags, our struts, we want to make sure this area is clean, free of debris. The buildup on the outside of the bags will cause failures. Stepping aside, looking at our tires. Are they standing vertical, or are we seeing a camber issue, which could mean extreme wear? Again, I'm Todd with HW, and that's how you can tell if a sprayer's been well maintained. If you'd like to learn more about used sprayers or any of our other used equipment, please come see us at one of our many stores or visit us online at ahwllc.com. And remember, AHW is always here when there's work to be done.